Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. New Brunswick's getting a snowstorm on Wednesday, December 18th, 2013. It's going to bring up to 15 plus centimeters of snow in New Brunswick, especially in Moncton, St. John and Fredericton, New Brunswick. It's going to be quite a bit of snow in New Brunswick on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2013. Because the low pressure system is going to intensify. It's going to hit New Brunswick. It's going to bring quite a bit of snow in New Brunswick, especially on Wednesday morning in Moncton, New Brunswick, St. John and Fredericton, New Brunswick. If you have any friends and family living in New Brunswick, be prepared for a snowstorm. And people in New Brunswick, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready, because there's going to be quite a bit of snow in New Brunswick on Wednesday, December the 18th, 2013. And the roads are going to be snow covered, and roads will be very slippery. All the side streets will be snow covered in New Brunswick on Wednesday. And main streets will be snow covered as well, because lots of snow will be falling in New Brunswick. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready, because lots of snow is heading for New Brunswick. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. When you do your grocery shopping, don't wait till last minute. Do it right now for people living in New Brunswick, especially in Moncton and the surrounding areas as well. Fredericton and St. John, New Brunswick's getting a snowstorm on Wednesday as well. When you're driving the car, slow down, take your time, drive the car, so you don't get in the car accidents. Be careful. Especially on the highways and the Trans-Canada Highway in New Brunswick and the Highway 1. Going from Moncton to St. John, New Brunswick. Going to St. Stephen, New Brunswick. All the main highways and other highways will be covered with snow. And Trans-Canada Highway in New Brunswick will be covered with snow as well. Especially in Moncton, Fredericton, and St. John as well. When you're driving in New Brunswick, be careful. Slow down, take your time, drive the car. Especially on Wednesday morning in New Brunswick. Since it's going to be 15 plus centimeters of snow in New Brunswick, especially in Moncton, St. John and Fredericton, New Brunswick as well. Best of luck to you. People in New Brunswick, be prepared for a snowstorm on Wednesday. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be safe.